If you're looking to automate EverWebinar registrations using Zapier, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'm going to show you how this integration can save you time and streamline your entire webinar registration process step by step. And don't forget, you can access a completely free trial of the software with exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Now, let's dive right into it. Automating EverWebinar registrations with Zapier can help you eliminate manual work, freeing up your time to focus on delivering awesome webinars. It's simple to set up, and you'll be able to automatically send your webinar registrants from one platform to another. The first thing you need to do is connect your EverWebinar account with Zapier. You'll want to start by logging into Zapier, then click on Make a Zap. This will take you to the automation interface where you can set up the trigger, basically, the event that starts the automation. In this case, your trigger will be something like New Registration in EverWebinar. Once you select this, you'll be prompted to log into your EverWebinar account so Zapier can connect to it. Next, let's choose the action for your Zap. You can connect EverWebinar to different apps, such as your email marketing platform or CRM. For example, let's say you want to add new registrants to your email list in MailChimp or a similar service. You simply select Add Subscriber or a similar action depending on what you need. Zapier will guide you through the necessary fields, and once you've linked your accounts, your Zap will be ready. The third thing you want to do is test your Zap. Zapier allows you to test the integration before fully activating it, making sure everything works as expected. You'll want to test by registering for a webinar in EverWebinar yourself and seeing if the registration triggers the action, like adding you to an email list. This ensures that your automation is working smoothly and is ready for your real registrants. Once you're happy with how everything is functioning, you can activate your Zap, and voila, your registration process is now fully automated. Every time someone signs up for your webinar in EverWebinar, Zapier will automatically handle whatever action you've set up, whether it's sending them a confirmation email or adding them to your CRM. The fourth thing to note is that you can also use filters and custom actions in Zapier to fine-tune your automation. For example, you can set up filters to only send specific registrants to certain lists based on their registration details. It adds a level of customization that can really help tailor your automation to your exact needs. Before wrapping up, I want to remind you that by following these steps, you're not just saving time, but also reducing errors. With your webinar registrations now automated, you'll be able to scale your efforts without extra effort. As a bonus, if you stick with me till the end, I'll remind you again about the exclusive, extended free trial for this integration that you can get through the first link in the description. Don't miss out on that. So there you go. That's how you automate registrations in EverWebinar with Zapier. Just a few simple steps and you're good to go.